And tonight, Matthew, I'm going to be famous. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update video for today. I am just alerting you all to the fact that I'm going to be on telly on Thursday, this Thursday coming, which will be the 28th, at 8 PM on You and Yesterday. I'm going to be on Bangers and Cash restoring classics. We had the pleasure of working with the guys there to restore a Mamod traction engine. I haven't got any footage of it myself. I'm really looking forward to this episode. I'm really looking forward to see what they actually do with the footage that they gathered. I had a cracking time recording it. And yeah, really looking forward to Thursday night. Get to see myself on telly. And hope all you guys manage to see it too. If you don't get to see it live, you can see it on the catch up on their u.co.uk channel, on their website. It's on Freeview channel 27 in the UK. It's also on Sky channel 155 and Virgin channel 129. So yeah, I hope you all get a chance to see it. It's going to be a good one. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.